What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am doing an unboxing of the Air Jordan 12 Retro Lows 8.5. I really like the box, guys. It has a gold color. The Jumpman is gold. It's really nice, as you guys can see. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Wow guys, these are really nice. They have the 23 on the back. It says Jordan quality inspired by the greatest player ever. So you guys know who that is, Michael Jordan, of course. It says Jumpman on the sides, and this is how the bottom looks. They have like a camo color like in the middle. It's really nice. 23, the Jumpman. They have like a really nice leather of feel, and they have these I think this is for the shoelaces, guys. It's like a metal. It's really nice, and it has the Jumpman on the thong, and it says 2. It says 2 and 3 for the 23, and this is the other shoe. Oh, and they also have the Jumpman inside of the shoe. It's a really sick shoe. It's really nice. You guys must have them. I only paid for these $170. Not that bad for a shoe like this. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video, tell me anything in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.